Welcome to my channel Wiles of Cooking. Today we'll prepare a quick breakfast for you in a few minutes. We need 6 eggs and separate the whites from the yolks. 4 slices of bread. What country are you watching my video from? Cut out the middle. Write in the comments whether you like this kind of filming, dynamics, and whether the birds are singing beautifully outside the window. I'm very interested in your opinion to improve my content for you. Olive oil and fry on both sides. They will be crispy. A little green onion. If you are new to my channel, you can subscribe so you don't miss my other recipes. And if you are subscribed to my channel, I'm waiting for you in the comments. A few slices of regular sausage of your choice. Salt and pepper. Olive oil. Put everything in the pan. And put the remaining yolks on top. Cover with a lid for 3 minutes. I touched the hot pan and my hand twitched. It happens, not everything is perfect in life, but I have one hole left and I will be able to show you the result.